Send me your sales report, my dear, but you can't send Amazon sales reports because you're going to get banned. Okay. You can't share Amazon information. All right. But if you're a Logie member, come on over here. You come over to Logie Manage, come over to Reports. All right. Now, all your products are here, okay? Everything is here. All your analytics is here if you're a member of Logie, all right? So you come up to the search bar, and let's say there's a brand that's asking you. Let's say FamiWorks. Here they are. Now I just put it in the search, and there you are. So there's 14 FamiWorth products, okay? And it's showing you all the units that I've sold in the past 30 days, okay? And you just download the report. All right, and you download it, and then you can send this right over. Okay, you can send right over and get your commissions. All right, Logie, you got to join Logie. Okay, if you're not a member of Logie, or if you're an Amazon associate or an Amazon influencer and you're not a member of Logie, join Logie. There'll be a link in the description. You got to use my code JimMullen. There'll be a code down there for you to use. Make sure you use it. Get in. Watch my other content on Logie. It's going to blow you away. Matter of fact, watch this one.